Hey, what's going on, Victor? This is Austin earlier with Digital Marketing Solutions or AOK Digital Marketing. So I'm just going to break down a couple of different things for you real quick and really just kind of show you how to make your website work for you so that whenever you're ready to do these things, obviously you can dominate your competitors using your website, to bring you more traffic and more value, okay? So in this video, I'll be talking about a few things, but really the main thing is that business owners just don't have enough time on their hands to kind of do these things themselves. So I found out the best way and most efficient way to do this is actually create a free attack plan that kind of explains what I do and how I do it. And if you're the type of business owner that wants to get it done himself, that's great. If not, you can always call me and I can do it for you. Only thing I ask is that you just leave a video, kind of give me some feedback on how I did on the video, and so on and so forth. So the three things I'm going to be talking about with you is content, citations, and backlinks. Okay, so here's your website right here. And nice website. Now here's the thing, you got a lot of pictures right here. So unfortunately Google does not rank based off the prettiness of the website, right? They base on content, keywords, authoritative content, and buyer intent content, right? So with that being said, if you're for a corner solution, painting, remodeling, stuff like that, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have a lot of stuff like that on your website. So you have pressure washing, water proofing right there, staining, popcorn removal, cabinet painting, right? Now we need to be able to interlink some of these sites to your different pages, right? So pressure wash, exterior residential, you have a project gallery. So we want to make sure that these are saved, okay? Save as, kitchen wall. You want to make sure that you save the right keywords, okay? Not just saved as whatever picture they are, because that's going to also help Google rank it. So Google's all based on algorithms, right? So whenever someone's going to type into Google, for example, someone types into Google, Google's going to bring up the best keyword or the best answer for whoever's typing something in. So for example, if someone's going to type in remodel for West Palm Beach, Florida, or house painting, West Palm Beach, Florida, right? Google's going to look for the website that has the most content that can provide the most answers. So that's exactly what you want to do. For that, with that being said, you have a contact us page right here. It's easy info for Courners Solutions right there. You book anything else. So, not a bad website. We can definitely, or what I can tell you to do is definitely want to go for more keywords. Definitely go for more, buyer intent keywords, and actually use some of this stuff. Roof repair. I'm sorry, not roof repair. Been a long day, man. Not roof repair. Pressure washing, painting. Waterproofing, staining, popcorn removal, cabinet removal, and you want to actually have those things in there. Give you some citations, give you a GMB, make sure you have the right referring domain. So let me go ahead and get to that. Okay, so look, this is a website that I use. A tool that I use is about anywhere from $800 to $1,000 a month. Okay, it gives me a breakdown of all the websites, what they're doing, how they're ranking, everything else. So look, a UR is going to stand for the strength. Okay, DR is going to be the popularity or the trust with Google. Okay, your backlinks. Backlinks is the amount of actual traffic that is pointing towards your website. So with that being said, it's like an inbound link from one website to another. So Google and major other search engines consider backlinks as votes for a specific page. So a page with a higher number of backlinks tend to have a higher number of organic engine search rankings, okay, if that makes any sense at all. As far as the referring domains, this is the amount of websites that are actually pointing to your website, okay? So referring domains, are websites that target web pages for more backlinks. So for example, let's say that you were posted on New York Times. That would be one referring domain. Let's say that you were posted on Forbes and New York Times. That's two referring domains. So right here, you're at Career Health Jobs, remoterealestate.com, and Bumblebee Crocodile right there. So they're on do follows, which is good. But the organic traffic, a little low right there. This is not too bad. But we can get all this up. DR is only 2. So here's your competitor, my man. These guys are top page, okay? And I'm not going to break down their whole website, but I'm just going to give you an overview. They have 31 referring domains, 98 backlinks, 114 organic keywords, okay? Let me bring you back to your page. You're not that far off from them. This is something you can easily do. All you got to do is bump them up, beat them, add a couple referring domains, add your keywords, and add your backlinks. So I know there's probably a lot of questions that you have with this video. I didn't want to go into too much depth and too much detail, so I was going to lose you. So if you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to do this on your own, great. But if you want to go ahead and give me a call, I can have my team do this for you. You know, wouldn't take too long. Get you on Google, maybe run some ads for you as well, generate some more business. You know, whatever you're open to, I'm open to. So give me a call back. Let me know what you think about the video. We can talk from there, man. Appreciate it.